Most seniors do not realize their outfit is the reason TSA pulls them aside, and it happens every single day at airports across the US. These are 10 clothing mistakes that trigger extra screening and even cause missed flights. From everyday accessories to medical garments you cannot simply remove, this countdown gets tougher as we climb. It starts with a belt buckle that cost one woman her flight. In the 10th place, heavy belt buckles and metal-laden accessories are the most common tripwire for seniors at airport security. A single brass buckle can set off the walk-through detector, leading to a full wand sweep and holding up the line. According to TSA data from 2018 to 2025, these items account for 6.8% of all senior alerts, by far the highest share among removable accessories. One traveler, Helen Martinez, lost 9 minutes to a secondary screening after her belt triggered an alarm, missing her flight and facing a costly rebooking. The fix is simple, and it works. Swap to a slip-on elastic belt or a stretch webbing belt with a plastic buckle, or remove your belt before reaching the checkpoint. This small change can mean the difference between breezing through security and getting stuck in a time-consuming search. For seniors, comfort and convenience start at the waist. Choose metal-free options and keep your travel day on track. Number 9. Underwire bras have quietly become a major source of airport delays for senior travelers. The metal wire, usually nickel or steel, runs right beneath the bust, exactly where advanced imaging and metal detectors are most sensitive. Since 2019, alerts tied to underwire bras among seniors have jumped by about 30%. Rising from 3.9% to 5.1% of all senior secondary screenings. That means more women over 60 are being pulled aside for chest area pat-downs or asked to change on the spot, adding stress and risking missed flights. The simplest fix is to choose a soft cup or polymer frame bra, which are now widely available and specifically recommended by the TSA. Packing a spare in your carry-on can also save the day if you are flagged. Making this one change helps you avoid unnecessary scrutiny and keeps your travel day moving smoothly. In 8th place, shoes with metal shanks or heavy buckles are a hidden source of frustration for senior travelers. Even a small steel plate in a dress shoe or a decorative buckle on a loafer can trigger the metal detector, forcing you to sit down, untie or unbuckle, and wait for a manual inspection. Studies show shoe alarms are among the longest single-item delays at airport security, averaging 7 to 14 minutes per incident, often enough to risk missing a boarding call. For seniors with joint pain or mobility challenges, every minute spent struggling with footwear adds to the stress. The simple fix is to choose slip-on, metal-free sneakers or loafers for travel days. Brands now offer supportive, comfortable options designed specifically for easy removal, so you can breeze through security without the extra weight. A quick swap at home can save you time and hassle, and keep your airport experience smooth from head to toe. Number 7. Compression stockings and medical wraps are a common sight in airport lines, especially for seniors managing circulation or recovering from injury. Many of these garments now include metallic fibers, such as silver or copper, for antimicrobial protection. While medically helpful, these tiny threads can set off walk-through metal detectors, leading to a secondary wand search and a hold at the checkpoint. For travelers with arthritis or mobility challenges, even a short delay can mean extra pain or risking a missed connection. The best way forward, always carry a physician's note that clearly explains your medical need. TSA officers are trained to accept this documentation and apply a gentler screening protocol. If you are shopping for new compression wear, look for brands that advertise a true metal-free fabric. MedFit's Pure Fiber line, launched in 2025, is one example. By planning ahead and informing officers upfront, seniors can keep their travel day moving smoothly and avoid unnecessary stress at security. Number 6. Wearing multiple layers of clothing, like a sweater over a fleece with a jacket on top, can create real problems at airport security, especially for seniors. Advanced imaging scanners are designed to spot anything unusual beneath your clothes, and thick, stacked layers confuse the system's depth sensors. During the 2022 holiday travel rush, TSA reported an 8% spike in alerts tied to layered outfits, with many seniors pulled aside for extra screening. The scanners cannot easily distinguish between harmless fabric and something hidden, so you may be asked to remove each layer or undergo a full pat down. For anyone with joint pain or limited mobility, this process is both tiring and stressful. TSA Cares now recommends a single lightweight outer layer for seniors, so pack your sweater or vest in your carry-on instead of wearing it. This simple switch keeps the line moving and saves you from unnecessary delays at the checkpoint. Number 5. Wearing multiple pieces of jewelry, like layered necklaces, stacks of bangles, or a heavy metal watch, can quietly turn a smooth security check into a hassle for seniors. Clusters of metal around the neck or wrists are enough to trigger walk-through detectors and handheld wands, accounting for 2.9% of all senior screening alerts. The real trouble often starts after the alarm, fumbling to remove rings or bracelets with stiff fingers, risking a dropped heirloom or a lost watch in the rush. TSA guidance is clear. Accessories should come off before you reach the line. The simplest habit is to pack jewelry in a small pouch and store it in your carry-on until you are through. That one step protects valuables, speeds up your screening, and spares you the stress of a secondary search. For seniors, a little preparation means more time relaxing at the gate and less worry about what might go missing. Number 4. Lace-up boots with steel eyelets are a double trouble spot for seniors at airport security. Each individual eyelet is a small metal ring, but together they create a cluster of signals that almost always set off the walk-through detector. Once the alarm sounds, the real headache begins. Boots must come off, and relacing them can take more than 90 seconds, especially for travelers with arthritis or limited flexibility. TSA pilot data from 2023 showed a notable spike in senior alerts at airports where lace-up boots are popular, with 2.5% of all senior secondary screenings linked to this footwear choice. The solution is straightforward: swap to pull-on boots with elastic gores or side zippers without metal hardware. If you need to wear lace-ups, ask for a seat before security to avoid the strain of standing while relacing. A simple change in footwear can mean a smoother, faster trip through the checkpoint and less stress on your travel day. Coming to the top 3, bulky coats with lots of pockets have become a major stumbling block for seniors at airport security. After the 2024 rollout of advanced CT scanners, alerts tied to heavy outerwear more than doubled, jumping from about 1.2% to nearly 2.5% of all scanner flags for travelers age 60 and over. The reason is simple. Every extra pocket, zipper, or hidden compartment creates a dense mass that the scanner cannot easily interpret, flagging the coat as a possible concealment risk. Seniors are especially vulnerable here, since it is easy to forget a tissue, a pen, or even a set of keys in one of those deep pockets. Each forgotten item can trigger a secondary screening, adding up to 10 minutes or more of extra hassle. The best way to avoid this is to make emptying every pocket a habit before you reach the checkpoint. Fold your coat neatly into a bin, pockets out and zippers open to show you have nothing to hide. This small change keeps the line moving, protects your belongings, and lets you stay focused on your travel day, not on searching for a lost item at the bottom of a security bin. Number 2. Orthopedic shoes with built-in metal supports often create a unique challenge for senior travelers at airport security. Unlike regular footwear, these medical shoes contain steel plates or reinforced inserts that are essential for stability and pain relief. The trouble is, even a thin metal shank can trigger the walk-through detector or a handheld wand, leading to a manual inspection. In 2023, the TSA revised its screening process, introducing the Orthopedic Footwear Card, known as the OFC. That card lets travelers keep their shoes on if they present proper documentation. The change cut false positives by 12% at pilot hubs, halving the average screening time for those with certified medical need. For 2026, the OFC must now be uploaded digitally through the MyTSA app or carried as a printed card, valid for 12 months and signed by a healthcare provider. Before your next flight, double-check that your card lists your name, medical reason, provider's signature, and shoe model. If you have TSA PreCheck, remember that the OFC is still required for metal-supported shoes. Arriving early, having your digital card ready, and using the designated senior lane can make the difference between a smooth trip and a stressful delay. A few minutes of preparation at home can save you from the hassle of shoe removal and secondary screening, keeping your travel day on track and your feet comfortable. And finally, in first place, embedded metal in waistbands and waistlines is the single most disruptive clothing mistake senior travelers can make at the airport. Unlike a belt buckle or a piece of jewelry, metal hidden inside the waistband, whether it is a few decorative studs, metallic threads, or a strip of steel for support, cannot be quickly removed at the checkpoint. The problem is proximity. When metal sits flush against the torso, advanced imaging scanners and walk-through detectors have a hard time telling the difference between clothing hardware and something more serious. That confusion leads to a stubborn pattern of belt area alarms, a trend that has barely budged since 2018, even as more metal-free products hit the market. For seniors, this means the highest risk of invasive pat-downs or even being asked to change in a private screening room, an experience no one wants on travel day. The solution is both simple and powerful. Plain stretch waistband pants are the gold standard. These pass through security without a blip, sparing you the embarrassment, hassle, and lost time that come with a secondary inspection. With so many brands now offering comfortable, travel-ready stretch waistbands, there is no reason to risk a hidden metal alarm. When you plan your airport outfit, remember, choosing the right waistband is not just about comfort, it is the easiest way to guarantee a smoother, stress-free start to your journey. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Travel Hack Era for weekly advice. New videos drop every Tuesday, so hit the notification bell and see you next Tuesday. Across all 10 problem items, one truth stands out. The right travel outfit is not just about comfort, it is your secret to a smoother, less stressful airport experience. Small clothing choices now mean fewer delays, more confidence, and a calmer journey. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly travel tips. See you next Tuesday.